As you will be aware, the High Court agreed with our challenge to the COVID-19 Public Health Response Specified Work Vaccinations Order 2021 and ruled that it was unlawful. Good morning everyone. It is Monday the 28th of February. Just thought you guys might all be interested. Hot off the press here. It was sent to me through a lovely young lady down in Wellington, and I thought you might be interested in having a look. This is a letter from Matthew Haig, who is the lawyer that was representing the two New Zealand police officers and Defence Force personnel that won in court, thanks to old Francis Cook. So I'm still holding my reserve out on that one, and I'll read it to you. It says, to Right Honourable or Right Horrible Jacinda Ardern, Prime Minister, by email. So anyone that wants to email Jacinda Ardern or Chris Hipkins, take note. Jacinda's email is j.ardern@ministers.govt.nz, and to the Honourable Chris Hipkins, Minister of COVID-19 Response, didn't even know that was department, but okay, by email c.hipkins@ministers.govt.nz. Dear Prime Minister Ardern and Minister Hipkins, COVID-19 vaccine certificates, or CVCs. We represent United We Stand, a group of New Zealanders who oppose the mandatory use of COVID-19 or COVID vaccination certificates, or CVCs, which are required in certain situations by the COVID-19 Public Health Response Protection Framework Order 2021, the order. 2. As you will be aware, the High Court agreed with our challenge to the COVID-19 Public Health Response Specified Work Vaccinations Order 2021 and ruled that it was unlawful. No reasonable justification there. In reaching its decision, the High Court considered expert evidence from both parties and determined that although vaccination can reduce the severity of symptoms, it is significantly less effective at preventing the transmission of COVID-19, which is now endemic in New Zealand. Okay, just get rid of the emic at the end, which is now at an end, because it bloody well should be. I mean, I used to look forward to getting the flu every year, honestly. 4. The CVC requirements does not prevent or limit the risk of the outbreak or spread of COVID-19, which is the purported purpose of the order. In other words, that's what they've bullshitted everybody to believe. United We Stand ask that you immediately revoke the order or amend it to remove the CVC requirement. And that's a fair request. Another fair request would that all of New Zealand would like you to fuck off. Instead of the protesters leaving Parliament, how about you fuck off? Alright, Jacinda, Chris Hipkins, Ashley, why don't you guys all fuck off and leave Parliament? Because I'm sure if there was a vote right now, there'd be more people saying protesters stay, politicians get the fuck out. Because you've all been absolutely appalling and disgusting the way you've treated everyday Kiwis, and your narrative's coming apart. Number 6, if the CVC requirement is not removed by 4th of March, see, now we give dates. United We Stand has instructed us to apply for judicial review of the order, and every other frickin' order. Judicial review the whole damn lot. Anyone affected, go for a judicial review on those orders. The case precedent is there. Not president, but precedent. Okay, for those that can't spell precedent right. Yours faithfully, Frontline Law Limited, Matthew Haig, VRD. Okay, Director, Lawyer, Frontline Law, phone number 0488 0007, or you can email Matthew at frontlinelaw.co.nz if you need to talk to him. 1. Yardley v Minister for Workplace Relations and Safety 2022, New Zealand High Court 291 at 91. Okay, so that is the case law that everyone else can use when filing for judicial reviews of these orders. If those orders have affected you or your employment, you file for a judicial review of that order using that case law. Pretty simple. You never know, me and a few of my mates that dribble in legislation might be able to help out and give some sort of template. If you want to do that, give me an email. It's in the description. Alright guys, so got a lot more coming out soon. Just lining up an interview with Andrew Peck, hopefully this week sometime, for to get the true story without mainstream media and fair go spin on it. I'm also going to be chasing up the Broadcasting Standards Authority, who sent me an email acknowledging my complaint almost now 2 months ago, and I've heard nothing since. So expect to chase up on that one. I'm also going to be releasing a video in regards to Bruce Northey. Bruce Northey is a complete git. He is a lawyer that has been in the bar since 1975, and yet he finds it difficult answering questions like, are you a lawyer? Well, I'll keep my opinion of him, but you can guess. This twat has turned around and when I've made a complaint about the Massey Community Hub, this twat has gone ahead and in his first response to the victim of their behaviour, accuses me of breaking the law, breaching the Privacy Act 2020 no less, the IPPSs, or the Information Privacy Principles. What you might find in the Privacy Act though is that IPPs do not apply to individuals. Okay? So this dickfuck accused me of doing exactly what the nurse did. She came out and recorded me on the sidewalk while she was working in her professional capacity as a nurse, as a private non-for-profit contractor to the NRHCC, who are protected by the DHBs. Because do you think you can go and talk to an NRHCC employer? Nope. So perhaps I'll wander on to their testing site, and given it's a publicly accessible area, Summary Offences Act 1981 Section 2, if you need that definition, perhaps I'll go wandering on there and just ask some questions. Just look for a bit of information, for informed consent. Don't know. But I tell you what, my back hair is getting up and my health is getting a little bit better. I'm not saying I'm going to travel for 9 hours down to Old Wellington, because they're doing a great job as they are, and these days I focus more on my family and my health. That's what's coming first. So yeah. Anyway guys, much love to you all. Have a cool day, and much power to you guys, you know. Oh, and a little side thing here. My mate Brent Andrews down in Wellington just sent me all of these wonderful stickers, you know. End the mandates. Don't know if you can see those there. These all bumper stickers. Hold the line. Alright. Another End the Mandate one. Freedom Fighters 2022. My Body, My Choice. These are great stickers, guys. Another End the Mandates. Protest End Mandates. United we stand, divided they fall. Hold the line. Alright. Although I don't think they're putting this one out. This is one of those rare ones. And a decent Hold the Line. Okay, United we stand. Freedom Fighters New Zealand 2022. So he's got some stickers out there. He might be charging for them, I'm not sure. If he is, all his proceeds literally just go to him making out more stickers. He wandered around Wellington and passed out hundreds of them free the other day to people. But if there's anyone that wants to buy them, again, give me an email. I'll see if Brent has a contact details or something that you guys want, or perhaps just come through me. Up to you. Alright guys, keep cool till after school, as always. See ya.